Welcome to YouTube Psychology. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Welcome to YouTube Psychology. Don't forget to like, comment, and share.
Today I'm going to teach you how you can edit your audio professionally in few simple steps. You don't need to use any paid softwares if you know these tricks. So, let's start the tutorial. Before recording an audio, must check if your recording device is connected or not. To check it, go to Edit and then Preferences. So, here you can see the recording device name. Select the device you want to record with and hit OK. Now, I've already recorded an audio.
Welcome to YouTube Psychology. Don't forget to like, comment, and share.
So, this is the audio. At first, I am gonna copy the layer. To copy, double-click on the layer. Press Ctrl+T, then click under the layer. Press Ctrl+V to paste the layer. I am naming the layer as compressor. Now we have to remove the noise. Select any area without noise. Then go to Effect. Select Noise Reduction. Click on Get Noise Profile. Now select the whole layer by double-click over the layer. Again go to Effect. Select Noise Reduction. Keep the settings as it is, and hit OK. So, it sounds like that.
Welcome to YouTube Psychology. Don't forget to like, comment, and share.
You can't feel so much difference in this section. Now again go the Effect. Select Compressor. You can keep the settings as shown or you can change the threshold between -16 to -20 according to your need. Hit OK. Again, select the layer. Go to Effect. Click Normalize. Keep the peak amplitude to -1 decibel and hit OK. Normalizing an audio in every step is very important, because it keeps your whole audio in a particular decibel. As we selected -1 decibel, that means it will keep the whole audio to -1 decibel. So, the audio will remain balanced. Now, let's play the audio.
Welcome to YouTube Psychology. Don't forget to like, comment, and share.
You can see the sound boosted properly because of the compressor. Next, we need to increase the bass of the audio. To do this again, go to Effect, selecting the layer. Filter Curve EQ. Go to Manage. Select Factory Presets and then Bass Boost. Now I am gonna keep the bass as 12 decibel. Click OK.
Welcome to YouTube Psychology. Don't forget to like, comment, and share.
You can see there is some clipping happening in the playback section. To fix this, again we will use Normalize. So, go to Effect. Select Normalize. Keep the amplitude to -1 decibels and hit OK. Now if we play the raw voice and then the edited voice, you will clearly see the difference. So, here is the raw voice.
Welcome to YouTube Psychology. Don't forget to like, comment, and share.
This is the edited voice.
Welcome to YouTube Psychology. Don't forget to like, comment, and share.
You can see how much it made your voice deep. Now, proceed to our next step. Selecting the compressor layer, go to Effect. Select Filter Curve EQ. Then click Manage. Then Factory Presets and Treble Boost. Treble Boost is very important to sound your audio more detailed. We will keep 12 decibel. Now click anywhere in the 12 decibel line. So, if you get a circular point, click on the point and set the line over the 20,000 Hz line vertically. Click OK. Again, we will normalize the layer. So, normalization is complete. Now let's check the audio.
Welcome to YouTube Psychology. Don't forget to like, comment and share.
The audio is sounding very soothing, right? There are only few steps left. Go to Effect. Select Limiter. Keep the limit to -3 decibel. You can skip this step if you want. Click OK.
Welcome to YouTube Psychology. Don't forget to like, comment and share.
It's sounding professional right now. Now, I will show you the last step. Select the whole layer. Copy it and paste under that layer. Now go to Effect. Select Filter Curve EQ. Keep the upper point to 12 decibel and lower point to 4000 Hz. It will make your voice crisp. Let's preview it, so you will understand properly. See, it's sounding crisp, which creates detailing in the pronunciation. Click OK. Let's check the audio.
Welcome to YouTube Psychology. Don't forget to like, comment and share.
You can see the crispiness is very high. So, we will decrease the decibels so that it sounds authentic. I want to normalize it again. Now hear the sound again.
Welcome to YouTube Psychology. Don't forget to like, comment and share.
I think it's sounding like professional voiceover. Somehow, if you think the sound is quite low, then you can copy this layer and paste under that layer. Adjust the decibel so that it doesn't clip. I am keeping it that much. Now check out the raw voice and the edited voice.
Welcome to YouTube Psychology. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Welcome to YouTube Psychology. Don't forget to like, comment and share.
So much difference, right? I want to add a background music and see how it sounds.
Welcome to YouTube Psychology. Don't forget to like, comment and share.
So much professional, isn't it? You can use the steps to edit your audio for voiceovers like tutorials, blogs and documentaries. Next time, we will teach you how to edit your voice for songs. So, stay with us and subscribe for getting update.